Can knock somebody out. Like this. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I got some weight. Hey, you.
Oh, whoa. That's really loaded. Put something else. Oh. So you open this one or open that one?
My name is Felicia.
I don't need you. Come here. The sun cannot see the TV. Oh, it's hot. Never mind.
Yeah, don't. Yeah. No. The sun's blazing right now.
Dad.
Yes.
Dad, this thing cannot stay in the sink.
I know, Mom. I know. Let me do my helping now, Rebecca. I don't know. We gotta put in another jug or something.
Or how about we just take it back to Target and tell them, or was it not punctured when you bought it?
That's what I don't know. 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 What's another name for Kauai?
Another name? Huh?
Yeah, it's like we have like Hawaii. There's Moku Keawe or Piko Wakea. What is another name for?
Kauai o Mano Kalanipo.
For what?
Kauai o Mano Kalanipo. I'm just
Kauai
pulling from that mele.
Yeah. Kauai o Mano
Kauai o Mano Kalanipo.
Kauai o Mano Kalanipo.
Kauai o Mano Kalanipo.
Mano. Yeah, that's the shark.
Mano Kalanipo.
Kauai o Mano.
Ena ibale no ko lawe ke labai ke ololo.
So I gotta do all baby now.
It's kind of dark in here, huh? Turn the light on. Kaya Oh, snowdrop. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are just chilling. It's Sunday. We're just chilling after church. I figured I kind of show you guys our normal routine after church on Sundays. Basically it. We're just gonna hang out. We're just gonna hang out together. So if you want to hang out with us, stick around. It'll be a good time. Oh, what do you guys normally do after church on Sundays? We do have evening services, but because my husband's in school full time, we kind of take Sunday nights. We try to take Sunday nights for him to finish his schoolwork and catch up on work and stuff and homework really for school. And then we do our side hustle things. We also take Sundays to redo our dinner menu and our weekly schedule, which I will link our weekly menu video in the corner there. We try to do that every Sunday and kind of treat it as a type of date night for the two of us. So ideally we would put Havilah to sleep and then have the time to talk about the week, talk about what we want to do for dinner, ministry stuff is coming up, what school stuff, what work stuff is coming up. So we try to do that on Sundays and plan it out that way so that we're both on the same page, so that we both know, okay, you're doing dinner this night, I'm doing dinner these nights, etc., etc., etc. We also take Sundays to make sure that we are on budget and that we're following the Every Dollar app and making sure that our balance always zeroes out at the beginning of the week. So we haven't started doing that just yet. We just started getting into the habit of doing our dinner menu and our weekly schedule stuff. So as far as balancing our account or our checkbook, I guess you could say, I want us to start doing that as well. And just making sure, hey, okay, $3.13 went to this. Apple Music took out yesterday. We have this big deduction coming out, or this big withdrawal coming out next week. So we're both on the same page and we're not caught by surprise and, you know, negative $10 in our account. Because it has happened. I remembered I shared a couple videos ago that I believe the word for the both of us this year is to be in agreement. And that means with everything. I mean, it means with decision making for everything. School, his school, our side businesses, finances, all the things. One of the ways to get there is through constant communication and being in agreement and on the same page with stuff, you know, because that's so valuable. Anyway, I'm gonna do some chores. I got some dishes to take care of, and we have lunch, or we had lunch with my sister and my mom and my sister's kids at church, and that's always a good time. That's a tradition my mom actually started, and that I'm very glad about. We all pitch in and we bring stuff, and then it's just a good time. So let's get these dishes done. Dishes done. I wanted to show you guys, I made a smoothie this morning. It's just banana and strawberries and almond milk. Banana, strawberries, and almond milk. It's actually pretty yummy. It's good. We got a NutriBullet a couple weeks ago from Walmart. It's like 30, 40 bucks? No, 30 bucks. 25 something. I want to start making smoothies. I bought a bunch of frozen kale, berries and stuff. It's just another routine, you know, you got to get yourself into, like, start making it a habit. But it's so good. Yummy. Okay. Let's see. I'll show you this, the NutriBullet. So it's this, you know, it's the single, it's not the heavy duty one. It's just the regular smaller version, I guess. But I love the color, and it was cheap. It was 20 something bucks. Of course, not a necessity, but I bought it before we found out about Dave Ramsey. Okay, so let that be my justification, my justification reason. I don't know. So this was our menu for last week. I have Valentine's Day over here because last week Monday was Valentine's, and we had a seafood boil and then our weekly schedule. So I'm gonna go ahead and reset these, and then just wait for KDE to go over later on. Voila. Back up here. Here are, I don't know, did I show you guys this yet? The baby steps printed on the fridge, which actually isn't too far off. Step 2 also includes your car. So we have about a year and a half left to pay on the car. But Connie is saying, he's saying that we'll be able to pay that off in like the next 6 months if we really crunch the numbers and hustle with Uber driving and all that kind of stuff. So it's a possibility. It is a possibility. What's gonna happen now? I should change my clothes and start editing this. Oh, hello.
No, I need help. I need help.
What kind of help?
Okay. He nui kona po'o a ka he u'uku na e na wahila woho. His red eyes and like he's like almost blind. Aiole na wahi. So Hiyaka was making fun of Panaeva, right? And then Panaeva tried to go after Hiyaka. Well, was threatening Hiyaka, and Hiyaka was like, "Don't threaten me, or I'm gonna kill your younger siblings," which she actually does because she suffocates them. Hiyaka tells Panaeva, "Bro, you come after me, and I'm gonna kill you." Alavi alayaha. Alavi alayaha. Don't freak out. That's about the closest I can get it for you. Akahino amahana hanu. O ua mauwahi manu nei
But she doesn't even say anywhere that Hi'iaka did that. It just says Hi'iaka, threatening. Yeah, like, okay. Come at me.
Threatening.
Come at me. If Panaeva keeps it up and will like fight with her, then Evela ana ke ki kala ona I keahi o puna. I'm gonna light your hip on fire. Oia kona ho'ike ana aku I ola honua. So Hi'iaka showed him something and Panaeva got pissed. Okay, oia. Right? With that line right there.
I don't get that.
Well, heaka ha'avina. Pone beheve?
No, just so koho kia ona eo, and when I helu komo o lelo, alela hai o lelo pili ka o lelo na eo maloko ka mo o lelo ka po ai pili o ka mo o lelo ai leila he haka haavina malo.
Heaka o lelo na eo au I koho ai.
Ahua pane.
He o lelo na eo kena?
Ahua pane hua a pane mai, something like that.
Really, ua imi oi I keia o lelo no eo. Makapuke o lelo no eo. Pukui.
O kia mona edo. Alaiaha, na puki I manu o uni o Panaeva.
Answer me.
Yeah.
Respond.
My brothers.
Say something, right?
My brothers of me. Right? How did you die?
Kahaha. He aha ka ho'i ka mea o ka make ole ana mai nei o Hi'iaka ia olua. Why didn't she kill you? Why didn't she kill the two of you? Ka mea o ka make ole ana mai nei o Hi'iaka ia olua. That's what Panaeva says right here.
Wait.
I kona kaikaina. Pane maila o Panaeva me ka pi'i ana e o kona inaina. So he got even more pissed.
That's so I learned that kahaha. It's actually like fuck. Like kahaha. Shit.
He aha ka ho'i ka mea o ka make ole ana mai nei o Hi'iaka ia olua. Kai noho I ho'onoho aku au ia olua I mua kia ino'u. I don't know what the heck that means.
Kaino is like I thought but wasn't so.
Oh. Mua mai ka olua I ane I e ho'opau manawa wale ai. You wasting my time.
But you guys
wasting my time. They just almost died. Komo e mai o Hi'iaka I ka pole o pele I loko nei o ka ulu le hua kapu a Panaeva. Wait, so I thought they almost just died. He was scared because they almost just died. Then he got pissed because Hi'iaka never killed him. And now he's saying, because good but not dead. And I love what you.
Or maybe they did almost. Maybe he thought they were dying and he came back and he was like, wait, how are you guys not dead?
He was hoping that they would die?
No, it's like, he thought it was dying.
Why are you guys not dead, boy?
He was like, shit, I thought you guys were dead. Like, how did she not kill you guys? I thought you guys were dead. Like, oh, God, you guys got some fucking problems.
Or maybe he was trying to get on Hi'iaka's nerve so that she could kill the two.
Let's go from the beginning.
I don't know.
Okay, he nui kona po'o.
Oh my God.
Ka he upu na ina wahila woho.
Ay. I was trying to figure out my husband's homework. I'm actually going to go ahead and make dinner. I know it's only 4 o'clock. So I'm just going to make something simple. Cheese and macaroni. I think I bought like a couple heads of broccoli. So maybe I'll do broccoli and mac and cheese. Boil or steam the broccoli on the side and then make the pasta. I'm going to use these macaronis. We have so many of these that we have to use up. Di seco, de leco, I don't know. Slow dried, coarse grain. What type of noodle is this? Cavatappi? This one. And then this big bag, we gotta use this up. It's the Kirkland bag of cheese from Costco. And I love the taste of Parmesan, so I bought this little one from Safeway yesterday, and just throw that in with a bit of the cheddar jack cheese. Okay. Yep, here it is. Oh, darling, what are you doing? Yeah, it's too heavy for you. Let me just make it all now. Dinner time, it's dinner time. Oh. You know what's crazy? I actually prefer, hold on. I actually prefer cooking or steaming broccoli now rather than the frozen bags we normally get from Costco. I don't know. I'm kind of stepping into that role, you know, of trying not the easy route for cooking. I don't know. I put a little bit of pakai, salt, and some Ayla oil. Ayla oliva. I think oil is makolalawe. I don't know. I'm not following a recipe or anything. I'm just kind of making it up as I go. Hi, Bella. Oh. Oi, Lalo. And at last, I see the light. There it goes. And this light.
What you making, Mama?
Making dinner already.
Okay.
Mac and cheese and broccoli.
I kind of just want hot food.
Good.
I compared that to KL, how everyone's kind of like whole papa about you can get vaccinated, you're not going to get
Oh,
vaccinated.
here we go.
Um,
That'll start up a
and
conversation.
Somebody has to, just like how he somebody has to just okay, like, you know, no, that's it. How? And so I was like, you know, sometimes-
You said the word vaccinated and unvaccinated?
I said, you know, they can make it, oh, kaya na po me ko mana o ka olima, kaya na ka olima ole,
Olima?
like shot.
Olima.
Yeah, olima.
Okina olima.
Okina oko.
Olima.
And space lima.
Oh, wow.
Vaccine.
Olima.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Olima. We learn something new every day. Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'll take over from here.
What?
I'll take over from here.
What, dinner?
Yeah.
Oh, good. I like change my clothes. And change clothes? What? No? Oh my goodness gracious. Yeah. Oh, I. Panetone. Panetone. May ho pa. You are a mighty God.
Oh, shit.
What?
Oh, shit. Oh, thank you.
Panetone.
I don't want to stand up.
Oh, goodness gracious. Hey.
What I want.
Panetone.
Okay. Aku nak tadi.
Huh?
Okay. Okay. Saya bunyi.
Oh my. Ah!
Hey, Mom.
Let me show you the real tea, y'all. Look at this. Mess on the floor. All this clothes is supposed to go into a bin because it's all clothes that I want to keep for her, but she can't fit. And then to my right is all my clothes because, oh my gosh, I'm stuffing everything into that drawer right there, that last one on the bottom. That's my drawer. I had my stuff in one of these, but then I'm in Hookie one and it's in her room and it has all her stuff in it. So this one is all my husband's clothes. So, you know, that's the tea right now. That's what it is. Oh my gosh. Kali. Hello. Kali ya Paalima. Okay ka? Oh, yeah. Ikay ka may kuukino. Ikay ka may kuukino. Okay, ano oy? Kiki? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh yeah. Wait. Use all of the Parmesan first, and then whatever else you need, use the however much cheese you need.
You want it cheesy, don't you?
Yeah, I know. I'm just in a cheesy mood. In a cheesy mood.
So flippin' funny.
Oh, whatever. Panettone. Panettone. All right, we're just gonna hang out now. Hey, we gotta watch Snowdrop, babe.
What?
Snowdrop.
Oh yeah, maybe the internet's will be better today.
Oh, we gotta watch Snowdrops. Snowdrops.
Drops already.
Guys, we started this new Korean drama. It's Korean.
Oh, you know what I'm gonna do?
It's a Korean drama, and it's on Disney Plus, and it's called Snowdrop, and it's
You know what I'm gonna do?
so good.
I'm gonna cut up the broccoli and mix it in with the...
Yes, darling, it's already cut up. See,
Oh.
great
Okay,
minds.
I'll just put it in the contact.
Yeah.
The most I'm gonna put is like garlic powder, but that's about it.
Show the cutes. Show the cutes. Fun fact, I used to watch a bunch of different Korean drama in high school with a roommate of mine who is a year younger than me, Hina. Makino, I should say. And she was the one that got me hooked on these different Korean drama shows. We called each other Makino because that was the name of one of the characters in one of the Korean dramas that we watched together. Obsessed. I love it. And it's so...
Makino?
Makino.
Like Makino Chaya?
Maybe. I don't know if it's the same. And oh, it's playing. Okay, I better pause because I started it with my husband, so I better wait for my husband to watch the next episode.
You're famous for starting stuff with me.
I am
Finishing it.
very much. Well, because sometimes I get ticked off at him or something, and I'm just like, forget it. I'm gonna watch it all by myself. And these episodes are an hour and a half. I feel like American TV shows are only 40 minutes, 45 minutes, maybe an hour at the most. This one is, oh yeah, hour and a half. Like, oh, love it. And I don't even know, we don't even know like their names because it's kind of hard to pronounce. I know the main girl's name is Hung Yo. The main guy that she falls in love with, and she's in love with, is Suho. I gotta start editing this one. I think I've come up with a good posting schedule. I think I'm gonna try and do Sundays and Wednesdays. I'm gonna try and do at least twice a week. I know I can do twice a week. I mean, I'm spending way too much time on Instagram, so I'm noticing. I do on TikTok too, but I'm doing that series on TikTok where I put makeup on every single day for the month of February. So maybe I'll kind of pull back a little bit on the TikTok and kind of go a little bit harder on YouTube during March and do twice a week during March. I feel so, I don't have a schedule. Film whatever I feel like filming, and I post whenever I feel like posting. But I know that one of the smaller goals that I had for myself for YouTube was to be consistent there and to post regularly. At least once a week, which I know I have been keeping up with. But I think I can step it up. I definitely can step it up. So, I'm kind of hungry already. I'm ready to eat. iPhone cam. Here it is. It's like 2 cheese, pepper, broccoli. And then he threw it in the oven to bake. And it's delicious. Good job, babe.
Thank you.
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
10 out of 10. I want to dance. Let's put on that Encanto song. Encanto? How does it go? Where does that song come on? Encanto. Oh, here. Right now. Ah! Come on, Havala. Let's dance, girl. Come on. I want to dance.
Sorry, I gotta get one more squeeze.
Come on. This is my song.
es un sueño real. Colombia te quiero tanto y siempre me enamora tu encanto. Colombia te